again. It's a rich thing.
Welcome back to another video, guys. So I'm going to get my left hand done today. These have been on all month. My nails are disgusting. I've really neglected them this month. Past month has been probably the most nervous, scary month I've ever had, and I've ripped nails off and all sorts. I don't even want to show you. My pinky's probably my best nail. This one, look, I ripped a corner off that, ripping nails off. This one, originally this here was a hole down here. I caught it with the efile and literally went right through my nail. So this hole, I've kept this nail as short as possible until this hole grows out. Nearly grown out. After in about 3 or 4 weeks, I'm hoping that will be grown out. Same with my thumb. I took this off, look, ripping my nails off. So my nails are horrendous. But I really wasn't bothered at the time that I did them. I was just, I want these off. But now, yeah, I'm regretting it. But it is what it is. I can fix them. So I'm going to do a little bit. I'm going to do my nails today. But we need to get a bit of nail prep done on this hand. Because, yeah, they've not been touched for a good month. Longer than a month. Right, so I have got a new efile. So Melodysusie has kindly sent this over. I like this new packaging. I do like this new packaging. So this is from the S series. I do actually... Oh, look at this. This is nice. I have actually already got this efile. This is a brand new colour. So this is the Jade S. This is a brand new colour. These are 30,000 RPM as well. Right, and it's got all this. I'm not going to go through all this book with you. Very important that you read these though, these instruction manuals. That's all their contact details. US, UK, France, Denmark. And then the top one there is their website. Brilliant. Yeah, this is a brand new colour. I love this efile. It's so small and compact. Ooh, it's so cute. Love this packaging. Right, so should we just go straight in and look at the actual efile? I normally start with the wire and the plug and everything, but let's just get straight in. Oh, look at this, right? So it's black and gold. Black and gold, black and gold. I like this. So it's got the little clip to clip on your waistband. Look at the size of it. Isn't it cute? It's about the size of a mobile phone, isn't it? Obviously, it's a bit thicker, but not much thicker. It is the size of a mobile phone. So cute. I love this little retro switch for the forward and reverse. And then that's your on, off and speed. I love it. Right, let's see what else it comes with. I've got a discount code for Melodysusie, guys, as well. I'll leave it in my description box. Let's see what this little box is. This is going to be the handpiece. Oh, the handpiece is black. This is nice. I've never had a black efile. Oh, this is nice. So it's all metal and it's tiny, teeny weeny. It's not too heavy. It's got the really good quality wire on it. Right, so this gets plugged into here. So one of them's big, one of them's small. Ooh, like that. Let's see if it's got any charge in it. Right, so there's your battery indicator. Yeah, it's nearly fully charged. I'll try that in a minute. So let's see what else we got. Right, so we've got, oh, a big old bag of sanding bands. Fine or medium, I think. And then we've got the thing that you can rest your handpiece on there. Like this. Cool. We've got your standard diamond drill bits. You get these with every efile, don't you? I like these ones for my cuticle work. These ones. I like them. And then we've got this piece. So if you're working in a salon, you have this clipped on your waistband. This just goes on there like that. So you can just have that clipped on your waistband and you can just plonk that in and out. Cool. Right, so because I do have these sent direct to me, they 9 times out of 10 come with a US plug, but they always send over their plugs so that you can change it into UK. So this just gets plugged in there. They're always really tight, and then that just goes into my socket. So this is what you use to charge it, but I don't need to charge it because it's got enough battery power. So I'm just going to do a little bit of nail prep using this, but I will show you it on a higher power. We'll do a hard gel nail or something. Fantastic little efile, so powerful. It doesn't try and stop or stutter or grind to a halt when you're going through a thick nail. Really, really good quality efile it is. So I'll leave them bits out and I'll use one of them to do my nails. So before we get on to prepping my nails and getting on with the set of nails today, this is quite a thick hard gel nail. I'm just going to show you it. So it's got a little twist lock. I love these twist locks. They're so much more secure, aren't they? And I'm just going to use a medium ceramic bit. This is what I normally use to remove nails. And I'm going to put it on forward and probably about 15,000. You can feel the cool air coming out of these vents. I love it. It's so smooth and quiet. So it might get a little bit noisy. I should have my dust collector out really, but I'm only doing prep and a little bit. So let's have a go with this. I'm so nervous with e-files on camera. So smooth. It doesn't grind. It doesn't try and grind to a halt or slow down. Look at this. Fantastic. You just can't beat a good quality e-file, can you? Brilliant. Right, I'm going to leave it at that. I just wanted to show you that, yeah, it doesn't grind to a halt. It doesn't try stuttering and stopping. It just powers through, doesn't it? So let me get this dust cleaned up and we'll get my nails prepped there. Right, so I've got cleaned up. I'm going to switch the drill bit out for this one here. And I'm going to use this to remove my dead skin and to lift my cuticle a little bit so I can get them trimmed. So I'm just going to stick that bit in. And I'm going to put it on. Again, I've got it on forward because I'm using my right hand. And I'm going to put it on 8,000. I feel like that's more than enough for my cuticles. And I'm just going to go around and get rid of all this dead skin off my nail bed. It might look like I'm pressing on hard, but I'm really not. Just float it over. I never really have much, can you see, I never really have much skin on my actual nail bed. I never really get much of that. So it's just lifting my cuticles really and giving them a trim. But if you have got dead skin that grows on your actual nail plate itself, just glide it over the top and it should just whip it off. Don't press into your natural nail. You don't want to file off layers of your natural nail. So I'm just going to speed this up a bit, guys, and get through this. I'll just do 2 nails on camera and then I'll come back to you. Right, so I'm just going to give these a quick clean off so I can see where I'm at. And if I need to trim anything, we'll get that done. So I'm just going to go in with my nippers now and get any little bits of cuticle skin like this. And then we'll get on with doing these nails there. There really isn't much to do, actually. I'm quite surprised. Yeah, there really isn't much to do. So that's them all done, ready for some nails. So anyway guys, I'll leave this list linked below. Like I said, I've got this in the white version. I think you can get it in the green version, but in the bigger one. I'll leave links below, my discount code and everything will all be down there. And when you're not using your efile guys, make sure you always put this bit in, and it will just protect your barrel from getting damaged. So I'm going to get cleaned up and then we will get some nails done. So this is the nails that I ended up doing guys. This video will be out tomorrow. I couldn't have put it in this video. It would have been over half an hour long. I do apologise. But yeah, that is going to be it for today. Keep an eye out for tomorrow's video using hard gel and laser gel method to create these. But yeah, that is it for today. I will leave links for the Melodysusie efile below. My discount code will be below. Hopefully you'll all come back tomorrow and see how I did these. Please remember to give this video a quick thumbs up guys. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and hopefully I'll see you all back in my next one tomorrow. Take care, bye.